This is the Beatbot Sora 10, the most affordable Beatbot that you can get on the market today. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 3 things that you're going to want to know about this pool cleaner before you decide to buy it or not. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. First things first, I do want to thank Beatbot for sending this out to me for a full honest review, but I do not allow any other types of sponsorships on any of my channels. And I will be comparing this pool cleaner against other similar mid-range pool cleaners, both in video format and a comparison chart on my website. So definitely check out those links down in the description below if you want to compare how this is stacking up against the competition. All right, let's jump into number 1, as this is a great pool cleaner, but it's not for everybody. So the first thing that you need to know is who this pool cleaner is for. This is for someone who is looking for a very basic pool cleaner that's going to do a terrific job of cleaning your pool, as it does have pretty good suction power, has the front 2 mounted brushes that will help scrub and get up dirt, and it has a terrific battery life. They say up to 300 minutes, and in my testing, it got 275 minutes when I tested it in 1 cycle auto. And auto is considered their complete cycle, which will do the floors, the walls, and the water line all in 1 cycle, and got that 275 minutes. Obviously, you're going to get different times depending on what mode that you're running in, the size of your pool, and other factors. And this also has one of the larger debris bins at 5 liters. And it's pretty easy to clean out because there's no cover to it, although it's not a blow through basket. So it does take a couple extra seconds to clean it out, but still nice and wide open. But unfortunately, which leads into number 2, is some of my cons. It only got in with that 1 cycle 80% coverage, so it did miss some. I think that's because it really doesn't map out your pool. It kind of just randomly goes wherever it wants to go. Sometimes it even got stuck in some areas for an extended period of time, even though eventually it does work its way out. But also understand that you're not going to be just using this once. You're actually going to be using a pool cleaner every couple days, maybe a couple times a week. So eventually your entire pool is going to get cleaned. Just know it didn't do as well as some of the other ones I've tested in this price range in a 1 cycle test. Although it still does a terrific job, it just takes a couple extra cycles, as it will eventually clean the entire pool really well, just like all the other ones. And then the second thing I don't like is the cover on this thing. To get to the debris basket, there's no hinge on here. So I'm used to having some type of hinge or some type of hood that you have to open up, press a button, and the hood will open up. But this one, you just pick up from the top, and just if you don't hold on to it, it's just going to fall on the ground. And unfortunately, I've done that a few times, and it does scratch it up a little bit. Obviously, if it's the only pool cleaner you have, you know not to do that, to hold on to it when you take off the cover. But I would still like to see the hinge in this price range, just to make sure you don't accidentally drop it. But I do like the multiple colors that they offer, which is just that change that lid. Everything else is just black. And then lastly, I don't love the plug-in. I'm used to having plugs in this price range, but it's that big block that you have to push in through a little door. You gotta make sure that it's dry, and I don't know how it's going to do long term, only time will tell. But I just don't like that design. But maybe that's just a personal thing, even though all the other ones in this price range have some type of plug. This one's just big and bulky, and it's just weird. And that leads into number 3 of who this is not for. So if you're looking for some extra bells and whistles, more than just a normal pool cleaner, then this is not for you. So if you want horizontal waterline cleaning, you don't have that here. If you want surface parking, the Beatbot Sora will have the surface parking, even though this has waterline parking. But after 10 or 15 minutes, it will sink back down. You have to fish it out with the included hook. But overall, it's still a terrific midline pool cleaner that has terrific battery life. It does really well to clean your pool, although it will take multiple cycles to get your entire pool. And if you're looking for a Beatbot because you want that Beatbot name, but don't want to pay that Beatbot price, they do now have this Sora line that's a little bit more affordable. And all in all, this is a great entry-level pool cleaner or mid-level pool cleaner for those who are looking into Beatbots. And one other thing, they mentioned that a ultrafine filter is available, although I have not yet to see it. So hopefully they'll bring that to the market soon, because that's definitely a must-have. But FYI, that's going to be additional purchase. All in all, definitely love this new line from Beatbot of more affordable pool cleaners. And if you want to see where this stacks up against the competition, I have done a comparison video and have a comparison chart down below. And I can tell you, if you're looking for a mid-range pool cleaner that does really well and has the longest battery life, then this is the best choice for you. But definitely check out those links down in the description below. And if this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.